A9 Transformed Dual Dashcam. Record events both front and rear of the vehicle simultaneously. Record event both outside and inside the vehicle simultaneously. Smart IQ adjustment. With built-in 10 groups intelligent IQ adjustment, A9 can automatically adjust the brightness, white balance, and sharpness according to the different weather conditions. Solo EV can be adjusted to match various tint levels of car window films. B62 can be fixed on many places easily. Dual ISP for dual lens camera. Each lens has an independent processing chip. IPX5 waterproofing. No worry about riding on rainy days. AirSmart 1080p wireless transmitter and receiver. Video can be transmitted to other room on other floor via wireless easily. AirSmart technology. Continuous and non-stop wireless streaming. 4K wireless transmitter and receiver. With 60 GHz wireless band, can effectively keep interference away from home appliance. For TV or projector, invisible HDMI cable is no longer a dream.